landscape of Jharkhand is witnessing a churn ahead of elections. Senior leader, former Chief Minister of Jharkhand, Champai Soren, is in the national capital. There's speculation that he could be joining the Bharatiya Janata Party. When he reached the national capital, he was asked a series of questions by reporters. What's his next move? Listen in to what he said.
सर, आप दिल्ली आए हैं, क्या मकसद है? खबर ये है कि आप बीजेपी ज्वाइन करने की आपकी खबरें आ रही हैं।
अपना निजी काम के लिए हम आए हैं। हमारा बच्ची रहता है, उससे देखने के लिए आए हैं। अपना निजी काम है, दिल्ली आना जाना होते रहता है। आज भी हम आए हैं। अभी हम जहाँ पर है वहीं पर है। जी जी, है ना? और अपना निजी काम में दिल्ली आए।
सर, एक बड़े नेता है आप, आदिवासी, आपको हटाया गया, क्या आपकी नाराजगी है हेमंत सोरेन से या जेएमएम से?
आप लोग जैसे हमको सवाल करते जा रहा है ना,
जी सर,
हम उसमें क्या कहेंगे कि हम जो स्पेशल हम जो बोल दिया, हम निजी काम के लिए काम में आए हैं और हम जहाँ पर है वहीं पर है।
And now, the senior JMM leader and former Chief Minister of Jharkhand, Champai Soren, has taken to social media to put out a long post, and he talks about being insulted and facing contempt, and then he says that he was forced to look for an alternative path. And with a heavy heart, he's come out with these alternatives. Let's go across to Priya, who's joining us from the newsroom. Priya, take us through Champai Soren's latest post on social media.
Is an extremely long statement that has been put out as opposed to his very curt answers, hum jahan hain wahi hain, that were given to media on camera. And in between these lines lies the reason why he has decided to do what he will do. He, however, does not specify that he is going to quit JMM or join another party or which party it is going to be. But he is ending up by saying, "Sare vikalp khule hain, all options are available to me right now." He begins by saying that you must have seen the developments that happened today, and there must be several questions in your minds as to why did it happen. He then goes on to list his political rise to the post of Chief Minister, how he has always been working for the people and for the right thing to get done. However, after that, he goes on to list that how he had been humiliated. He says, हूल दिवस के अगले दिन मुझे पता चला कि अगले 2 दिनों के मेरे सभी कार्यक्रमों को पार्टी के द्वारा स्थगित करवा दिया गया है। एक सार्वजनिक कार्यक्रम दुमका में था, दूसरा कार्यक्रम शिक्षकों को नियुक्ति पत्र वितरण करने का था। पूछने पर पता चला कि गठबंधन द्वारा 3 जुलाई को विधायक दल की बैठक बुलाई गई है, तब तक सीएम के तौर पर आप किसी कार्यक्रम में नहीं जा सकते हैं। Now remember why the timing is important, because it is around this time when Hemant Soren would be looking to get back to his chair as the chief minister. This probably is the reason why he says इससे अपमानजनक लोकतंत्र में क्या हो सकता है। This is the insult that in all likelihood has precipitated into what he is saying right at the end of this. उस दिन से आज तक और आगामी झारखंड चुनावों तक इस सफर में मेरे लिए सभी विकल्प खुले हुए हैं. The catalyst obviously are the upcoming elections. Sources are saying that he wanted them to happen under his leadership. He is detailed, he is angry, he is upset, he is hurt. Next course of action remains to be seen.
And he also goes on to make it very clear, आत्मसम्मान पे लगे हुए चोट से दिल बहुत भावुक है. And then he talks about this vikalp, 3 options: take retirement or maybe look for another partner. These are the options that he mentions. So interesting to know in the next few days what Champai Soren is going to do. Will he join the BJP? That's the question in everyone's mind. Thank you, Priya, for getting us those details. Taking a short break here on Times Now. We'll be back with more news and updates.